Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to check out some amazing upgrades that can be done to make a cyclist's camper bike an even better option for those adventure seekers who crave independence in the best ways possible. With everything from extremely light-weighted trailers to small but packed-in campers, these builds are going to make anyone's biking experience one to remember. So, let's go ahead and check them out. Number 1. Foldavan Caravan. Foldavan Bike Trailer Camper comes from the designers at Wooden Widget, a French firm. At only 30 kilos, it was made for cyclists looking for a light and practical mobile camping tent. In its stowed form, which takes up 21 centimeters in width, it is flat and can be stored in your house or even carried in your train and in car roof racks. Once expanded in road form, it can expand to 60 centimeters wide, where it is streamlined enough to travel easily along bike trails. In camp mode, it can spread out and reach 100 to 120 centimeters wide, giving more than 1 meter of headroom and space for 2 people. It can carry up to 75 kilos in bike transport form and 200 kilos when stationary. Being wind-resistant, its side panels can be unzipped in windy conditions for increased stability. Number 2. Andrzej Kamiński Camper. An excellent example of high-tech do-it-yourself construction in the bicycle camping domain is a creation made by Andrzej Kamiński. This man, who retired as a Polish sailor from Gdynia, has been gaining popularity with unique bicycle campers that he builds himself and posts to his YouTube channel at Andrzej-bike_camper. One of his inventions is Micro Vado, the tiny caravan based on the idea of Romani wagon trailers, but more durable and easier to tow. Moreover, he managed to build a vehicle nicknamed the smallest mobile home, which was completely insulated, made of wood, and designed in a teardrop shape with proper organization inside. Among many features, one can notice an engine in order to facilitate pulling of the trailer uphill, solar-powered off-grid electric system, and heating capabilities that allow camping in winter. Number 3. Space Camper. The Space Camper is a futuristic approach to living spaces that aims at making it possible to explore new frontiers. The futuristic invention makes use of technologies that have been borrowed from space engineering. It is characterized by aerodynamic design and efficient construction material to make the space camper durable, compact, and lightweight. The space camper has been designed to accommodate solar systems, insulation materials, and innovative storage facilities. Some space campers contain sleeping places that can be extended, as well as modular kitchens, all of which make them more comfortable to use than any other form of mobile home. This kind of living space is ideal for adventurous people who are looking for freedom while still enjoying some degree of comfort. Number 4. Roadsnail Camper. Roadsnail Camper is an ultra-compact camping trailer for a single person seeking flexibility, comfort, and reliability combined into one unit. The inner cabin is quite spacious, with a width of 83 centimeters and a length of 1.90 meters, which means that there will be enough room to sleep comfortably. The outer shell features a coating that provides the level of off-road polyurea armor that makes the trailer resistant to scratches, damage, and moisture. Thermal insulation is included in order to keep the interior temperature stable no matter whether it's hot or cold outside. All the trailer's doors can be locked from inside when stopping for the night. In addition, it comes equipped with a solar charging system, as well as a kitchenette, work area, storage, and additional awning. Number 5. Go Camper. The Go Camper is a very flexible, ultra-light trailer that was made specifically for people who need all the benefits of a camper in one unit. It is produced in the United States of America by the company Sylvan Sport. What makes this product unique is a smart concept of its 3 uses: a pop-up tent trailer, an open utility trailer, or just a tough gear hauler. The weight of the Go Camper is very small, therefore it can easily be towed even with a small SUV. However, it is not small because it is possible to use it as a camping shelter both for the weekends and for long trips. The price of the brand new Go camper starts at $13,995, and the second-hand version varies from $8,799 to $19,436. Number 6. Scout Bicycle Camper. Scout Bicycle Camper is an adaptable and robust micro-living module that combines lightweight materials and durable designs that make it perfect for camping trips. It features compact and center models with a boxy design constructed from 15mm weatherproof composite materials. In terms of specifications, it comes in either compact or center version, which weighs between 47 kilograms to 68 kilograms depending on the type of trailer used, which in most cases is the tough cargo trailer model that weighs 21 kilograms. The Scout Bicycle Camper trailer includes 3 levels of storage capacity with 350 to 550 liters for camping supplies, food, and other necessities. Apart from the main trailer, it can detach to become a standard heavy-duty cargo trailer. It includes premium features such as fiberglass or carbon construction, along with awnings, solar panels, insulation, and sleeping quarters. It sells for $6,966. Number 7. Pixel 260 Mini Camper. Pixel 260 Mini Camper is a travel trailer made in such a way that one is able to enjoy a comfortable stay even without grid connectivity. The chassis is braked Al-Kayu type that makes it easy to tow it around. Its weather-resistant GRP fiberglass sandwich body provides durability, insulation, and longevity since it is a good quality trailer. It weighs 440 kilograms empty and has a GVWR of 750 kilograms. On the exterior, it measures 2.65 meters in body length, 3.80 meters with drawbar, 2.00 meters width, and 2.45 meters height, while inside there is enough room to stand upright with height being 1.95 meters. The interior consists of a convertible dining space that changes to a 120 by 195 centimeter bed, which can comfortably sleep 2 people and accommodate 4 people as seats. An integrated kitchen includes a 90-liter fridge, sink with a 12-volt pump, and 55-liter water system. Other facilities provided in this travel trailer include the presence of a wet room, insulation, heating, LED lighting, USB ports, and blackout blinds. The price of the vehicle is $17,475.86. Number 8. Travel Bike Camper. The Travel Bike Camper is a portable shelter meant to give cyclists flexibility in terms of movement and adventure away from civilization. There are various designs of these campers, which include hardshell teardrop trailers, which are either aluminum, fiberglass, or plastics-based campers. The hardshell teardrop trailers provide weather resistance, thermal insulation, and excellent aerodynamics on rides that last long distances. On the other hand, there are pop-up and inflatable campers that employ a material-based design that allows them to maintain a flat shape during riding and become fully functional at the camping site after inflating or erecting using poles. Some advanced models have amphibian campers, which can operate both as a tricycle camper and boat. These portable shelters weigh from 40 kilograms to 100 kilograms, and therefore e-bikes are a preferred mode of transportation in the event of hills and long rides. Number 9. Bike Camper. The bike camper is a small and portable towable trailer made for pulling behind a bicycle or e-bike for a quick sleep or rest. It provides the necessary comfort while traveling far away from any city, eliminating the need to use a hotel and carrying heavy items like tent poles or sleeping bags. The weight of the majority of commercially produced bike trailers is 50 to 75 kilograms, which makes electric bicycles the best option to transport them, especially when going uphill. Contrary to conventional tents that take quite some time to set up, hard-shelled bike campers are made for fast and easy deployment, usually needing no tools and taking less than 3 minutes. In addition, many high-quality bike campers are built using special insulating materials, such as Armorflex or expanded polystyrene. This helps keep warm inside during colder days. Number 10. Bike Camper Trailer. The bike camper trailer is a small vehicle designed to hitch onto a bicycle or e-bike, thus turning it into a mini camping facility that will help cyclists move to remote locations while providing them with shelter for resting, storing supplies, and having some time off. The trailers are engineered specifically for high mobility, speed, and quick assembly, which makes them perfect for adventure trips. As a rule, they feature lightweight components such as aluminum frames, fiberglass bodies, or even canvas tents to minimize air resistance. Bike camper trailers can have different designs, including the presence of foldable beds, thermal insulation of walls, ventilation systems, as well as space to store all kinds of equipment and food supplies. In general, the whole setup process takes no more than 5 minutes at a camp. As sustainability becomes increasingly important nowadays, one can consider a bike camper trailer an environmentally friendly choice. And that wraps up these amazing bike campers that will take your adventure to the next level. All of these designs highlight the progress made in biking technology. And if you loved going on this adventure, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and spread the love around. Catch you all next time on an adventure.